You might be wondering, what am I looking at? Well, that right there is Carnage. That right there, it's a snap ring that has been snapped. And if we look over there, that's the Bronco. It's another Bronco update. Let's come over here. Let's try to zoom into the back. Yay, zoom. I don't know if you can tell. That one right there is completely flush. There's no splines. You can hear my finger scraping against the thingy. And then we come over here and we move over here and we are able to get it inside. And there we go. Can you see the issue? Can you hear the issue? That one has splines and it has a groove in there. Somebody grinded a groove, put a snap ring on it, and replaced that shaft from one like that one. Only issue I'm having. Snap ring has been snapped. Shaft has been on shaft. The problem is, no, I'm supposed to replace that one in that group inside to be able to put that part of the assembly in and put a snap ring on top. To put another assembly, to put another snap ring on top. You know what? I don't care about studs or rusty bolts or nuts or rivets or any other sort of fastener hardware. I don't know how you're gonna wanna call it, but once you have to go and get one of those or get one of those because you have to face one of these. You know it's gonna be nightmare induced thingy. But that's where we are. I had to grab the transmission from the cherry picker. Drop one of the hooks. Whatever. Transmission, cherry picker. Got it over there. I feel like this is the operating table. That's the disassembling table. I don't want to grind on top of this, so I went over there and grind it, and then lift it up from over there and bring it up over here, just to give up because I'm not able to reach. I'm missing like, what do you call them, 16 of an inch or stuff like that, like 8 millimeters approximately, to be able to snap. Is it even easy to put in? It is, but it's not easy to snap from there to there. I'll figure it out. I'll find a way. And other than that, well, the shop is clean. No more debris. The leaves are out. And basically, that's it. Tiny update for my little baby. Someday we're gonna hear it run again. Sooner. But Shop Dog is telling us it's time to go. It's time to go to bed. To take a shower first, cause filthy hands, and then to bed. So I don't know. Hope I was able to entertain a tiny little bit with the update. Go follow me over, comment down there, give a like, subscribe, and that's it. Love the dog. ¿Verdad, señorita Luna?